The next step in understanding pitch relationships is facilitated by introducing the keyboard. Pianists orient themselves to the keyboard by the black notes. Notice that white keys are all the same, but the black keys are grouped in 2s and 3s alternating. The starting place for identifying letter names on the keyboard is C, the note just to the left of any group of 2 black keys. From C, you can find a key's letter name by counting up the alphabet, 1 letter per key. As you develop facility in identifying the letter names of keys on the piano, you learn to recognize each white note letter name according to its position relative to the black notes. For example, D is between the 2 black notes grouped together. F is just to the left of the group of 3 black notes. B is just to the right of the group of 3 black notes. The next step is to connect notes on the staff to keys on the keyboard. To know which octave to play on the keyboard, you need to find middle C. If not otherwise indicated, middle C is the C in the middle of the keyboard. Often there isn't a C in the exact middle, in which case it's the nearest C to the left of the middle, allowing for more treble notes. On a full piano keyboard, middle C looks closer to the center, but notice that there are still more treble notes than bass notes. The rest of this video will demonstrate how to do the exercises on this material. Most likely you are already under lessons, working through the keyboard introduction, and now you're ready to do the exercise. For this exercise, you can start by changing the settings so that it's just displaying alphabet letter. C, remember, is just to the left of the 2 black notes, and there's this handy middle C telling you that that's C. F, you would count up from C, C, D, E, F. B, you might count down from B, C, B. When you get good with this, you could change the timer so that you only have 7 seconds per problem. Or you can start getting staff specific. You could isolate treble clef, in which case you're going to deal with middle C being the first leisure line here. So that's going to be A, F, A, C, E, F, A. And that would mean this A. That would be this G, not this G. That G's too high, that G's way up here. So if this is the middle C, that's C here, so C, D, E, F, G. Similarly, you can change the staff to bass clef. If middle C would be right here, leisure line 1. So counting back from middle C, that makes this the E down here. H, G, A, C, E, G. So that's A really close to middle C. C, B, A. After getting comfortable with these, you can test both. So that D, this would be the D that's down at the bottom of the staff, so the next D up is this D. So hopefully this gives you an idea of the keyboard exercises and the settings you have available in that exercise.